morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, yesterday we have started with the chapter 12 and seen its introductory part. So today we are starting with exercise 12.1. Its first question is, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So here one of the radius is given as 19, other as 9. So let R1 as 19, R2 as 9. So let the radius of the third circle which comes after adding the circumference of these two circles be R. So according to question, what they were saying that C1 plus C2 is equal to CR. I hope you are getting my point that the circumference of first circle plus the circumference of second circle is equal to the circumference of the required circle. So next we are going to substitute the values in 2 pi r formula on both the sides. So we get 2 pi r is equal to 38 pi plus 18 pi. So that is 2 pi r is equal to 56 pi. Pi will get cancelled from both the sides. So r is 56 pi over 2 pi. Hence r is 28. So thus the radius of the required circle is 28, which is equal to the sum of the circumference of the other two circles. Next, question number 2 is, the radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Then find the radius of the circle having the area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Student, this question is quite similar to that of the first question, in which we are given with the circumferences. Here the areas are given. So let the radius, that is R1, be 8 cm, R2 as 6 cm, and the radius of the third circle, that is the required circle, be R. So here A1 plus A2 is equal to A, that is the area of first circle plus area of second circle is equal to the area of the third circle. So here we are going to substitute the values, and formula of the circle is pi r square. So here pi r square will become 64 pi plus 36 pi, that is 8 square and 6 square. So this implies pi r square is equal to 100 pi. Hence r reduces to under root of 100, that is 10 centimeter. Here we are just taking only 10, not the minus 10. Why? Because we are talking about the side. So hence the radius of the required circle having the area equal to the sum of the areas of the given two circles is 10 centimeter. Students, next question number 3 I am giving as a homework. Do try this question by yourself. So next question number 4 is, the wheels of a car are of the diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel take in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 kilometers per hour? So here the diameter of the wheel is 80. So its radius will become 40 centimeter. That is half of the diameter. Next, the circumference of the wheel. Student, circumference is the actual that part of the wheel which will cover the distance. So that means 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is 40, that is 80 pi centimeters. Next, speed of the car is given as 66 km per hour. So here it converts to 66 into 1000 over 60, that is centimeter per minute. So that is 110,000 centimeter per minute. So distance travelled in 10 minutes. We have to multiply the same with the 10. So that is 10,000 centimeter. So let the wheel makes n revolutions in 10 minutes. So number of revolutions will be equal to the total distance covered over distance covered in one revolution. So total distance covered is given as 11 with 5 times 0 divided by 80 pi. So that is 4375 revolutions. So these many turns the wheel will take in 10 minutes. Next, question number 5 is, take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. So here pi r square is equal to 2 pi r. So we'll keep both the values equivalent. So 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Pi will get cancelled, 1 r will get cancelled. So that means r becomes 2. So hence, whenever the circle has the radius 2, its perimeter as well as area are numerically equal. Why we are writing numerically? Numerically means only the magnitude will be equal, but because perimeter has the dimension as meter, centimeter or kilometer, whereas the area has in square centimeter, square centimeter, square kilometers like area. So hence our option A is correct. So that's all for today, students. Do your question number 3 as homework today, and tomorrow we'll be starting with the exercise 12.2. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.